And congratulations on winning our GSR 2018 award.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
So my name is Shouvik Mukherjee, and I'm a graduate student in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at Pitt, and my advisor is Dr. David Snoke.
Okay. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more about your research.
So I'm working with polaritons. So if you imagine a collection of photons, which are quantas of light, and these photons, if you think that they have some mass and they have some interactions, repulsive interactions, then probably they are going to behave as atoms if they have if we can impose a number conservation.
Okay.
So basically we can do the same set of experiments as one can think of doing with cold atoms, but at higher temperatures.
I see.
So in cold atoms, the typical temperature scale to see quantum phenomena, or in particular Bose-Einstein condensation,
Okay.
is probably around like hundreds of nanokelvins, and we can observe the same phenomena at much higher, around like 10 kelvins. So this becomes like a natural platform for studying very fundamental physics.
I see.
Yes.
So how do you think quantum mechanics helps your research?
So as I said, quantum mechanics is the heart of the system that I'm studying. So the system is basically a polariton, and you can think of polaritons as a superposition of a photon and an exciton.
Okay.
So it does not needs to be an exciton, but it could be anything like a phonon or like a magnon, like any sort of excitation that could be coupled with a photon. So, yes.
Okay. And then the PQI has various resources that may aid your research. Saying we invite seminar speakers. We also have this every year signature event that you can present your poster. We're also hosting coffee hours so that you can socialize with other people in this field. So have you attended any of these events?
So I usually attend from time to time some of the speakers in whose research I'm interested. But as you can understand, like being working in a lab, you have to have some lab commitments, and sometimes I can't find time to make to these talks. But I think I can catch up on that because like PQI records most of these talks. So probably I see it in my leisure time. And see, yes, definitely this is like a resource, I would say, like to just know about different researchers working on or probably approaching very similar problems, but with different backgrounds. So everyone has like slightly different strategies of working throughout, and so this basically helps me like understand the breadth of the work that is being done in this area. So this is like a very big and broad area to begin with. Yes.
I see. So as you're winning the award, I can just say assume you're doing generally speaking, pretty good in your graduate studies at this moment. So do you have any suggestions or comments you would like to share with your fellow grad students?
The only thing I can say is that if you are enjoying your work, probably that helps, like because that's like a good motivation to keep on working, going to the lab, doing experiments, and thinking about further experiments, or even analyzing your failures and probably moving on. So I think it is very important for anyone to like enjoy their work first of all. Yes.
Okay. And I guess the final question is do you have any suggestions, saying to PQI, saying how we can improve in the future to serve the grad student community in a better way?
I think, like as you said, that we have some events which try to involve these grad students, like presenting their research in a poster or probably giving some talks. But more importantly, there could be like some small other events that could be thought of. For example, like our department holds an essay competition every year. So probably just generally speaking about like different like on like probably there could be an essay thing which talks about like different topics in quantum physics, and like which is like a general interest for all the people who are interested in this institute.
Okay. And again, thank you very much for coming here, and thank you for your time. And again, congratulations on winning the GSR Award for 2018.
Thank you. Thank you.